How to fix Nvlddmkm.sys blue screen error in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps. The first step is underclock the CPU. Go to the video description and download MSI Afterburner using the link there. After clicking the link, you will reach this page. Click on this button to download the software. After downloading, install it. On MSI Afterburner, find core clock and move it towards left to minimize the value and click on save. If it affects the performance of computer, you can adjust it according to your preference. Close the Afterburner and see if the blue screen is fixed. The next step is update graphics card driver. Right click on Start, select Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right click on the graphics. Nvidia graphics is found culprit in most of the cases. If Nvidia graphics is on your computer, right click on this, select Update Driver, click on Search automatically for drivers. Close this, close the Device Manager and restart your computer. Check if the issue is fixed. If it is not fixed after restarting, then again open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right click on the Nvidia graphics on your computer, click on Update Driver, select Browse My Computer for drivers, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select the previous version of the driver. You will find multiple drivers here for different versions. Select the previous version and then click on Next. The screen will blink for a few moments and the graphics driver will be installed. Restart your computer and check if the issue is solved. If the issue is still not solved, then you can use Nvidia app. Go to the video description and click on Nvidia app link. You will reach here. Click on download now. After downloading, install the application. This application will detect if the driver is outdated and install it after your permission. Install the driver. If the issue is still occurring, you will need to clean the previous version of drivers leftover. Again, go to the video description and click on the link to display driver uninstaller DDU. From here, download the software and extract it. You will need to go to safe mode. First of all, boot in the safe mode. Click on search. Type msconfig. Click on system configuration. Go to boot. Select safe boot. Check the option network. This will save boot Windows 11 and internet will be running. Click on apply. Click on OK. Restart your computer in the safe mode. Go to File Explorer, go to Download, open the display driver uninstaller, click on the select device type drop down, select GPU, click on clean and restart, highly recommended. This will clean the leftover of the previous version of the driver. Click on this option. After that, use the Nvidia app to update the driver. You can also manually download and install the latest version of the Nvidia driver. Go to the video description and click on the link. You will reach this page. Here select the correct options for your GPU. You can get help from system information about the GPU. Click on search. Type system information. Click on system information. Here you will find the graphics detail. Taking help from here, choose the options in these drop downs. Click on Find. For game ready driver, click on View. Click on Download. Once downloaded, click on the file. Click on Yes. OK. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Install the pending updates. Click on Start. Select Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. If any update is found, delete it, download. In the end, restart your PC to install the update. Run System Files Checker. Click on Search, type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, type SFC for space / scan now, SCANNOW. Press Enter. Let the system scan complete. Close the command prompt. Restart your computer. See if the issue is resolved. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on Search. Type Memory. Click on Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on Restart Now and check problems recommended. This will restart your computer and scan the memory for the issues and repair them accordingly. After restarting, you can get the log file in the system tray. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.